Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. What I want to talk about this week is the things that I've learned so far in the last week. And trust me, I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos and reading articles and doing all kinds of things. I even made a video last week, and if you haven't checked it out yet, go check it out. It's some adventures we went on to the beach last weekend, and it's just a little video. I edited it, I did it in iMovie, I put some music to it and put a little intro, and it seemed to come out all right. And I hope you liked it, and if you haven't watched it, go watch it. Not yet, when this video's over. Anyway, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of these videos. Now, one thing based on that video that I did that was kind of a little screw up on my part, that my brain didn't fix when I was filming, was the fact that I forgot to turn my phone. In the Instagram world, where most of us are used to filming and videotaping with our phone, videotaping? Do we tape anymore? I don't know. Anyway, video recording with our phones, you're vertical. Well, you don't do that on YouTube. You turn the phone and you film horizontally. It makes your editing much easier. So the last video, you know, that was a little bit of a screw up. So hey, I learned something. So now I've got the ability to fix that the next video, which hopefully is coming up soon after this one. Anyway, and another thing I noticed was you know, you shake when you walk. So I've been doing a lot of research on gimbals and handheld devices and this, that, and the other thing, and my God, there are so many different gimbals out there. Now, the two that most people talk about are, and I know I'm going to say this wrong, the Zhiyun Smooth 4 and the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, if you're recording with your iPhone or whatever the case may be, whatever phone that you have. So I've been looking at those two, and if you have either one of those and you have some feedback, please don't hesitate to drop in the comments below your thoughts, what, you know, if you like it, things you don't like, anything like that, because I definitely want to know. Because one thing I noticed when I was recording a certain section of the last video, you may notice it, and there's a little bit of the walk. I didn't realize I walk so heavy, but that's one thing that I want to work on. So it's not too prevalent in the last video. You may not even notice it. I noticed it because, well, it's my video, of course. But I've been looking at gimbals. You may see me with a gimbal. I may do an unboxing of a gimbal if I get a gimbal. Who knows? I don't know what gimbal I'm going to get. So there's that. That's something that I'm going to be researching for the next little while. Who knows? If you have a favorite that I didn't mention, please, in the comments below, drop it in there, and I'll check it out. Another thing that I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos talking about starting out on YouTube and making videos and making content, and I hate that word content, it drives me bonkers, but I'm gonna use it like everybody else. Content, yay! Anyway, one thing that a lot of people tell you to do is create a thumbnail. Don't necessarily use a screenshot from your video, because it might not be accurate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and create a thumbnail for this video and see how that works out. So I don't know if it's going to turn out very well, but we'll see. I've been reading a lot about analytics and using Google's analytics and vidIQ, and I'm still diving into all of that stuff. So in a later video to come, there will be more about analytics and what I'm discovering about those. Now, if you want to follow along, I would seriously appreciate you hitting the subscribe button. And I tried to create one that sits down here in the corner of the video. Is it this side or is it that side? I don't know. Anyway, there's a subscribe button down there, and hit the bell button for notifications. And I thank you for joining me once again, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day, and we will see you again soon, I hope. Cheers.